Hi all, hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to start lesson 2 of block 12. And from our previous class, we have read the story We Indians and we have learned something from that story. Right. See, these are the keywords of our today's class that are were, place and questions. Were, place and questions. And our today's topic is questions about places. Questions about places. It is clear from this topic itself. Means we will ask questions about places. So, dears, now tell me if you want to ask some questions about the places, which question word we are using? We have learned so many question words. Which are they? What, why, where, when, and who. So, among these, which question word we are using to ask questions about the places? It is where. You are right. It is were. This is the word which we are using to ask questions about the places. Okay, then, what is the special thing about your place? Think about it. Is there anything special in your place? Okay, in my place, I'm from Chelari and it is a nice place and so many beautiful fields surrounded my home. This is one of the special thing about my place. So you can think over yours about special things from your place. Okay, so dears, now we are going to read the story We Indians again. Again, we are going to read the story We Indians and we will discuss the questions which is given in each paragraph. So let's start. My name is Minakshi. I come from Tamil Nadu. I speak Tamil. My favorite festival is Pongal. What is your name? What is your name? Yes, you are having your own names. And I am Ramu Patel. I come from Gujarat. I speak Gujarati. I like to do Garba and I am 7 years old. How old are you? How old are you? You might be 6, 7, or 8 years old, right? So, from this first paragraph about Meenakshi, where is Meenakshi from? Where is Meenakshi from? Right, she is from Tamil Nadu. She is from Tamil Nadu. And what is the special thing about her? It is her festival. Which festival is that? It is Pongal. And about Ramu Patel. From where Ramu Patel comes? Right. Ramu Patel comes from Gujarat. He is from Gujarat. And what is the special thing? What he likes to do? He likes to do something. What is that? He likes to do Garba dance. This is the special thing about the place Gujarat. Okay, then let's move to the next paragraph. My name is Gulabo. I come from Rajasthan. I like wearing colorful clothes. I enjoy watching puppet shows. I travel by camel. And how do you travel? How do you travel? Obviously, for traveling, we are using four-wheelers or two-wheelers like cars, bike, bus, auto rickshaw. Right. Okay, then next. I come from Bengal. I am Badal Ghosh. I speak Bengali. I like painting and music. I study at Shanti Niketan. What do you study? What do you study, children? Right? We all are studying In school. So, what do you know about Gulabo? From where she belongs to? From where Gulabo belongs to? Right, Gulabo belongs to Rajasthan. She belongs to Rajasthan. And what is the special thing Gulabo tells us in this paragraph? Gulabo tells some special thing to us, no? What is that? Yes, it is about puppet show. And here about Badal Ghosh. From where he is? He is from Bengal. He is from Bengal. And what he likes to do? He likes to do painting and music. Now let's turn the next page. It is 22. I am Vida. I come from Maharashtra. I speak Marathi. Our neighbors in Mumbai are Assamese. They come from Assam. Where do you come from? Right here, this paragraph, it is telling about Vida. From where she is? She is from Maharashtra. She is from Maharashtra. And who is her neighbors? Yes, her neighbors are Assamese. So they are from Assam. It is another place. They are from Assam. And next, Surinder. I am Surinder. I come from Punjab. I speak Punjabi. My friend Amarjit Singh likes Bhangra. And which dance do you like? So here, which dance Amarjit Singh likes to do? Right, he likes to do Bhangra dance. And from where he is? He is from Punjab. He is from Punjab. And which language does he use to speak? This is Amarjit Singh. Right, he used to speak Punjabi. Then next paragraph, I am Neeraj Tripathi. I come from Uttar Pradesh. I speak Hindi. I am learning Urdu from my friend Tariq Beg. And what language do you speak? So here, Neeraj Tripathi, he is from Uttar Pradesh. He is from Uttar Pradesh. And he speak Hindi. Then next it is about a Malayali who is Unni Krishnan Nair. I am Unni Krishnan Nair. I come from Kerala. I speak Malayalam. I am learning Kathakali. My favorite tree is the coconut tree. And which tree do you like best? So here, which thing that you found in this paragraph? Right, it is about the coconut tree. It is in our state, Kerala. And which language he is speaking? He is speaking Malayalam, and his favorite tree is the coconut tree. Then next, my name is Kamla. I come from Karnataka. I speak Kannada and I play the mridangam. Do you play any musical instrument? Here, Kamala is from Karnataka. Karnataka and Kerala also there. Karnataka, Kerala, and she likes to play mridangam. Then Bharati is my name. I come from Andhra Pradesh. I speak Telugu. During my summer holidays, I go to Kashmir to visit my friends Salma and Suleiman. Where do you go for your holidays? Here we can see them. The three are there in this picture. Bharati is there at the middle and Salma and Suleiman. So during her summer holidays, she'll go to Kashmir to meet her friend Salma and Suleiman. And next, we are two sisters. We belong to Odisha. We speak Oriya. We decorate our walls and floor with finger patterns. Do you have a sister or brother? Do you have a sister or brother? Right, we all are having a sister or brother. So here, what about these two sisters? From where they belongs to? They belongs to Odisha and they speak Oriya. And what is the special thing about them? It is they decorate their walls and floor with finger patterns. That is the special thing about them. So, dears, here I have written some places from the story We Indians. And you do one thing, you can write the same way in your notebook, and also you can circle the name, the characters. You can circle the characters and underline the place from where they belongs to. Their places you can underline and circle their name. So by looking here in these words, in these places, we can say that there are many characters in the story, many peoples, and they all are living in different places, different states. Their language is different, their food is different, their dressing style, their culture, so everything different. But they all are Indians as they are living in only one country. And which country is that? It is our country, our India. Okay, now tell me something about you. Where do you study? Right, you all are studying in school. But nowadays you are studying at your home because of this COVID-19. Okay, then where does Badal Ghosh study? Yes, he study at Shanti Niketan. It is a school and we are also going to school. And yes, where do you from? Right, you all are coming from different places. Like I am from Chelari. And see here, there are many characters in the story and they all are coming from different places. Like Meenakshi from Tamil Nadu and Ramo Patel, he's from Gujarat, Gulabo from Rajasthan, Badal Ghosh from Bengal, and so on. Okay, now tell me, where do you go for your holidays? Your choices might be different, right? Like I like to go Shimla in my holidays. And what about Bharati? Where does Bharati go for holidays? Right, during her summer holidays, she'll go to Kashmir to meet her friend Selma and Suleiman. So, what is the same between you and a character in the story? And what are the differences? Is there any differences? Right. There are many similarities and differences between the character in the story and you. Like Badal Ghosh goes to school and we are also like to go to school and we like to see puppet show. And here one character is there. Who is that? Right? Gulabo. She also likes to see puppet show. So there are some similarities in the story. And what are the differences? Right, their language, dress, food, culture, these all are different. So, dears, just now I have asked some questions to you, right? What are the questions that I have asked to you? See, here I have written some questions. These are the questions that I have asked to you now. Let's see. Where do you study? And where does Badal Ghosh study? Then where do you go for your holidays? And where does Bharati go for holiday? After looking at these sentences, can you tell me what is the same in all these sentences? What is the beginning of these sentences? Right, here in all sentences, in these all questions are beginning with one question word. Which one is that? It is where. W-H-E-R-E, where. So here in all questions are beginning with where. This question word where, it is help us to know, to tell about the location of the people, the place of the people and the things. Means if we want to know about the location of the people, the place of the people or the things, Then we can ask these question word where, like where do you study or where does Badal Ghosh study. So those question words we can begin, we can start with where. So dears, now let's move on to our workbook. It is from 21 S2. Questions about places. So question number 1, write 3 questions with where and ask these questions to your friends and write their answers. So here you have to write 3 questions with where, beginning with where, and you can ask these questions to your friends. Now your friends, they are not with you, so you can ask these questions to your mama, papa, or your siblings. So how can you make the questions with this word, with this WH word, question word? Right, where do you come from, or where do you go for your holidays, or where do you study? So this way you can make 3 questions and its answers also. Then let's move to question number 2. Write the questions for the given answer. So there is one answer is given. It is the sweets are in the cupboard. So for this answer you have to make a question. So we can make the question like, where are the sweets? Where are the sweets? Right, the sweets are in the cupboard. So this way you can complete this worksheet, and from your practice questions, question number 7, write a question for the answer. So one answer is given, it is same as our workbook answer. It is, the story is about a pet dog. So here we can make a question like, who is the story about? So dears, what we have learned today? Right, we have learned about the question word where. It helps us to know to ask questions about the place, the location of the people, and the location of the thing. Right, so this is for today's class. Thank you.